Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade potato salad. First, select about 2 pounds of starchy potatoes, such as russets, for that perfect creamy texture. Next, peel and cut your potatoes into 1-inch cubes to ensure they cook evenly. This step is crucial for a consistent bite in every spoonful. Finally, gather all your other ingredients like mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and fresh dill so everything is ready to go. Now, let's get those potatoes cooking. Place your cubed potatoes into a pot of generously salted cold water. Bring it to a boil and cook until they are fork tender, which usually takes around 15 minutes. Once cooked, drain them completely and let them cool down a bit. While they are still warm, transfer them to a large mixing bowl and add your finely chopped celery and red onion. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, after all that cooking, who wants to clean? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. It's time to create that delicious, creamy dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Season this mixture generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of paprika for extra flavor. Now, gently fold this dressing into your potato and vegetable mixture until every piece is beautifully coated. Be careful not to mash the potatoes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.